Tomato here.
Oh, hey, baby tomato. Oh, I see her. She's right there. Baby Cruz. Baby Cruz. Hey, that looks like a little triceratops.
Triceratops? Hi, leaves.
Look at that, leaves. Lorenzo, what is it? Is it fall outside? Look at that tree. Look at that tree. It has no leaves on it anymore. No leaves. Oh, no clouds in the sky today. But look, we collected some leaves and we got our Disney Pixar cars out here. So here's Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Here's Fabulous Lightning McQueen. And here's Fabulous Hudson Hornet. And let's see if he could jump in there. Let's go.
Yes.
Whoa. Ooh, there goes Flo. Whoa, Lightning McQueen made it in, but Cruz Ramirez is down there. Here goes Cruz. Nice. Look at that. Might be too big. Let's try it anyway. Chick Hicks's truck. Oh! Oh!
No, truck.
He would have made it, but I think we got to move it closer. You want to try him again?
This, right here.
Yep. You got to move that up. Let's see.
Let's see.
Here we go.
No, don't.
Push him down.
Yes.
Oh, he made it in. Nice. Mac? Do you think Mac can go? No, he's definitely really big. Yeah, he can't even fit.
No.
Yeah, he can't. He's too big.
Let me push him. Oh, no. No, Mac.
Mac can't go. Who else can go? See Sally in there?
Tomato.
Tomato? Ooh, I like that tomato. That's a blue tomato.
Apple. Uh-oh. Tomato duck.
Tomato, you stuck? Tomato, how did you get stuck there?
You're this tomato.
Oh, I'm this tomato? Okay, tomato. I'm helping you. I clinked you. Oh, pull. Oh, he's good now. Oh, tomato. You didn't make it down the ramp. Now tomato has a straight path to the leaves. Nice. Look at all those Pixar cars in there. Oh, Lightning McQueen, I see you. And now we got a bigger thing of leaves here, and they're no longer in the bucket. So let's see, ramp them into the leaves here. Whoa! He's all gone. Where'd he go? You don't see him? You don't see him anymore? Is he in here? Oh, he's in there. I see him. Look, Lorenzo, look, I see him in there.
See my eyes.
I see his eyes. Oh, I don't see him anymore. Here goes Lightning McQueen. Whoa!
A bush on my head.
Yeah, a bush on Lightning McQueen's head.
Did they red?
Yeah, and he's red. Here we go, Lightning McQueen, with a bush on your head. Flo, here we go, Flo.
For a race car.
Okay, Flo's a race car. Whoa! I see Flo a little bit. I do see her. She's right there. Yeah, I see her right there. I see Flo. I see her a little bit. Who else do you have in here? Who else do you have in here, buddy? Whoa, King. Wow, there's a lot of cars in here. Ooh, look at this one. This is Corey, the press car.
A king?
Oh, Corey's gonna race King? Okay, let's see. Whoa, King went up there, and Corey went in here somewhere.
Yeah.
I don't know where Corey went.
Yeah.
Corey, hello? Corey? There's Corey. I see Corey. I see her eyes. You see her eyes? Come look on this side. Come over here.
Okay.
Look. Look, come over here, look. Corey's right there. You see Corey's eyes?
Yeah.
You see Corey?
Cody, right down now.
Yeah, she's right down there. Lorenzo! Yellow Lightning McQueen. That's cool. Yeah, yellow Lightning McQueen will be cool. Whoa! Let's cover him up. Oh, Lorenzo, look at this dock. Oh, that was Sally. Look at this dock. This is a color changer one. I think this one's yellow, Lorenzo.
Radio duck.
Yeah, look, it's a yellow dock.
Who's for the duck?
Yeah, I think he's a color changer. What color is his wheels?
Red.
Yeah, they're red. All right, let's see Doc go down. Here we go. Whoa, Doc.
Corvette.
Ooh, Corvette. I like that Corvette.
Corvette car.
Yeah, Corvette is a race car, that's for sure. I like Corvette. Oh, Corvette. He's kind of just sitting on the top.
Mato.
Ooh, Mato.
Mato. Mato.
Yep.
Mato boarded red.
Yep, Mato goes on the blue ramp.
Yes.
Mato, good job.
Me no see Mato.
I don't see Mato either. Oh, I see a little bit of Mato.
Daddy.
Ooh, is that DJ?
Yes.
Ooh, I like DJ.
Daddy boarded red.
Yeah, he's going down the blue ramp? Okay, let's see. Look at the back of DJ. He's got like some nice exhaust and he's got like a DJ thing. Ooh, I like DJ. All right, let's see DJ go down there. Oh, DJ.
Me no see Daddy.
I don't see him either. Oh, I see him a little bit. I see him a little bit in there. See him right here?
Yes.
Come over here. Look over here. See DJ right there?
Ah.
Whoa, the leaves are blowing away. That's okay. Ooh, Boost. Hey, that's DJ's friend.
Daddy's red.
Yeah, it's DJ's friend Boost. Remember in the movie?
Mm-hmm.
They were all together. All right, let's see what Boost can do. All right, Boost, let's see what you can do. Boost!
Me no see boss.
He barely even made it off the ramp.
Me see boss.
You see Boost?
Me see boss red back.
Where? Oh, a little bit? Oh, right there.
Me see Daddy right here.
Oh, yeah, you're right. That is Boost a little bit right there. All right, let's throw Boost in there and we'll cover him up.
Ham.
Ham. Ooh, yes. Ham. Here we go, Ham.
Africa.
Use a race car. Okay. Wow. Ham. Whoa.
Missing baby could imagine.
A baby Cruz Ramirez? No way. Hey, baby Cruz Ramirez. Are you ready for the biggest jump of your life? Okay, baby Cruz Ramirez. Let's see what you can do. Okay. Whoa!
Missy baby Cruz Ramirez.
Oh, I see her. She's right there. Baby Cruz. Baby Cruz. Hi, Baby Cruz.
Baby T-Rex.
Ooh, Baby T-Rex. Okay. Okay, baby. Here we go.
Me jump on the leaves.
Yeah, you're gonna jump on the leaves. Let's go. Whoa!
Missy baby T-Rex and rubber band.
A little bit.
Missy.
Yeah, that's right.
Baby Ramon.
Baby Ramon. Hey, Baby Ramon. Baby Ramon, are you ready for the biggest jump of your life?
Yes.
Yeah, Baby Ramon. Let's see what you can do.
Okay, radio.
Ready, set, go. Whoa, Baby Ramon hit the loop-de-loop and then he went in here. Baby Ramon. Oh, there he is. Look, there he is. Baby Ramon. Hi, Baby Ramon. Help me. Oh, Baby Ramon.
Baby tomato.
Baby Tomato. Hey, Baby Tomato.
Me picked up a rodent.
Okay.
Me ready picked up.
You're ready for the big jump?
Yes.
Okay. All right, Baby Tomato. We're ready for you. Whoa, Baby Tomato. Where'd he go? Where'd he go?
baby tomato here.
Oh, hey, baby tomato. Hi. Hello.
Me done.
Baby tomato, you're going again?
Yes.
Okay. Oh, he didn't quite make it that time.
No, baby tomato.
Nope.
No.
All right, who is that? Is that Danny Suarez? Hey, Danny.
Me not see my mommy.
You don't see your mommy, Danny Suarez?
No.
Where is she?
But here.
Oh, tomato. Okay. All right. Oh, whoa, whoa.
2 cars.
2 cars at the same time? That was cool. Hey, that looks like a little triceratops.
Triceratops?
Triceratops, that's right.
This is Triceratops?
It looks like a triceratops. That's what it looks like to me, at least. Let's go with that.
Okay.
All right.
I'm my mommy.
Where's your mommy?
A race.
She's in the leaves?
Yes.
All right, well, then that means you got to jump in. Oh, you got a lot of cars in here. Let's show everybody. Oh, look, there's Wingo. Oh, there's the, Lizzie. Oh, Dr. Oh, no, that's RV. I didn't know that was Dr. Damage. Jackson Storm. Yeah, that's another Kate Lightning McQueen that you have. Look at all the cars you have, though. We could be here all day doing this. These cars. Chick Hicks. Oh, here's Dr. Damage. Here's another Doc. Francesco. Dirty Lightning McQueen. Look at all these Ramones. Orange, yellow, red, silver one. Ramon. Look at all these Ramones. Blue Ramon. Ooh, Mario Andretti. It's been a minute since we've seen this guy. Look at this Jackson Storm. He's a color changer.
Hi, mommy.
Go, Ramon, go.
Hi, my mommy. Yeah.
Oh, that's your mommy, Ramon? Oh, look at that. Mommy Ramon and baby Ramon. Where's the other baby Ramon? I think he's in here. Oh, look, Yoshi. How'd you get in here, Yoshi?
Bye, Daddy.
Bye. See you next time.